Where is your tongue right now? Where's your fucking tongue, Normie? Where's your tongue? Because your tongue should be whatever the fuck, however. I probably look like a fucking retard doing that, but whatever. Your tongue should be on the roof of your mouth, as they say, as they claim. Because I've seen this circulating a lot online. It's this thing called Mewing. It's a way to, like, improve your look somehow. It sounds like fucking, I'm gonna be honest, it sounds like fucking some bullshit thing, because how it works, this is how Mewing works, because I've read about it a lot. It's based on, like, this guy who came up with the theory. And you just, that's it. That's all it is. That's what I'm doing right now. What they say you have to do is keep your tongue on the roof of your mouth. And just breathe through your nose and don't breathe through your mouth. They say that's the 2 steps to do it, to mew. Why does this need a name, though? I feel like that's just what you're supposed to do anyway. That's my real thoughts on this shit. Like there's a lot of reasons why breathing through your mouth is bad, because it's just bad in a lot of ways. And yeah. And if you breathe through your mouth when you sleep and you wake up and your breath is terrible, that's why, because you breathe through your fucking mouth. That's why you shouldn't do it. So don't do it. You should breathe through your nose unless you actually can't breathe through your nose. Like, you know, if you have allergies and your nose is fucking stopped up or something. That's different. But all the time just being, that's not good at all. And you don't want to be like that. So yeah, I feel like we don't need a name for this mewing thing, because it's legit. Like, that's just how I've always been. Just, like, that feels normal. Like, we don't need lessons on that. Fucking internet lectures. What the hell? What the hell? And I hate to, I know this sounds like I'm just flexing my high intelligence stat, but when you have a high stat and you're low in other stats, you have to flex that one stat, because I'm smarter than everybody else. And if you disagree, you're fucking wrong. So fuck you, Normie. Fuck this shit. I'm out. Bye-bye.